Oh my goodness, look at these gorgeous lace pieces. Aren't they just adorable? But wait, they're not just for sewing anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform delicate lace like this into stunning resin jewelry and accessories. These sweet bows, hearts, and flowers are about to become the cutest keychains, pendants, and pins you've ever seen. Stick around to discover how easy it is to preserve these beautiful fabric details forever in crystal clear resin. Welcome to Happy Place Creations. If you're new here, I'm Connie, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today, we're mixing things up with a super fun project that combines the worlds of fabric and resin. I've collected these beautiful lace pieces. See this adorable bow, this sweet heart, and these delicate flowers. We're going to transform them into wearable art using our resin skills. Whether you're a sewing enthusiast with extra lace trims lying around, or you just love the romantic vintage look, this project is perfect for you. I'll walk you through preserving these delicate fabric pieces in resin to create jewelry, keychains, and pins that showcase their beautiful details. The best part? You can customize these with any colors or embellishments you want. Let's dive in and create something magical together. So here's what I'm doing now, carefully removing these beautiful lace pieces from the long strand they come in. When you buy lace like this, it usually comes by the yard or on a roll with multiple designs connected together. I'm just gently cutting around each motif to separate them. The key thing to remember is that you need these pieces to be nice and flat before we encase them in resin. See how I'm making sure there are no wrinkles or folds? If your lace pieces aren't cooperating and staying flat, don't worry. Here's a super simple trick. Just use a light heat from your iron on the lowest setting to gently press them. Make sure to use the no steam setting though. We don't want any moisture in these before they go into our resin. Isn't it amazing how these delicate pieces already look like they're meant to be jewelry? That's what I love about this project. We're basically just preserving these gorgeous details that someone already designed for us, and look at how the light catches those little embroidered details. So pretty. All right, now for the fun part. I've got 2 cups ready to go. In this first one, I'm adding this gorgeous rainbow silver glitter to my Resin UV resin. Just look at how those sparkles catch the light. And in my second cup, I'm keeping it simple with just the clear UV resin. For this technique, I'm using this little basting brush that I've customized by trimming down the bristles. This gives me so much more control when applying resin to delicate pieces like these. Now I'm gently brushing the clear UV resin onto our lace pieces. Here's a super helpful tip. You'll know you've applied enough resin when your fabric turns slightly darker and more translucent. See that transformation happening right there? That means the resin has fully saturated the fibers, which is exactly what we want. Now, I'm grabbing this small paintbrush to add some of our glitter resin for highlights. I'm just applying it to certain areas to create dimension and catch the light. Isn't that sparkle just magical? You can add as much or as little as you like. That's the beauty of making it yourself. Time to cure these beauties. I'm popping them under my new Resin UV light for about 5 minutes. This step is so satisfying. Watching them transform from soft fabric to these gorgeous preserved pieces that still maintain all that intricate detail. Now that our fabric pieces are all cured and looking absolutely gorgeous, it's time for the really exciting part, turning them into wearable art. I've got some fun projects planned for these beauties. I'll be creating a couple of different necklaces, each with their own unique vibe. Then we're going to make 2 different styles of pins that you can attach to jackets, bags, or even hats. And of course, I couldn't resist making one of these into a statement keychain that'll make finding your keys in your bag so much easier. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's watch the magic happen. I'll walk you through each step of how I transform these preserved lace pieces into finished jewelry. And remember, you can totally customize this with whatever findings and chains you have in your stash. That's what makes handmade so special. Ooh, I can't wait to see how these turn out. Let's get creating. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all my subscribers and warmly welcome those who are new to the channel. I'm dedicated to creating interesting and entertaining content, from resin art projects to crafting tutorials. Your support fuels this journey, and I couldn't do it without you. If you're enjoying the content but haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's free. Your subscription greatly supports my efforts. Liking the videos also helps signal to YouTube that the content is valuable, allowing it to reach a wider audience. Feel free to leave comments. I love hearing your thoughts. Thank you immensely for your support. It truly means the world to me. Exciting news, everyone. My videos will now be released every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 6 p.m. Plus, I'm thrilled to announce that I'm offering free shipping for both USA and international orders through my eBay store. Don't miss out. And there we have it, friends. Fabric and resin coming together to create these absolutely adorable, wearable accessories that you can make yourself. Isn't that amazing? So the next time you're browsing through lace in a fabric store or scrolling online, remember this video and think about all the possibilities. You could create matching earrings and necklace sets, make coordinating pins for you and your bestie, or even use these as the most gorgeous gift tags anyone's ever seen on a special package. The possibilities are truly endless once you start looking at lace with your resin eyes. I had so much fun creating these with you today. These little lace treasures preserved in resin just make my crafty heart so happy, and I hope they've inspired you too. If you enjoyed hanging out with me and learning this technique, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more fun resin adventures. And pretty please drop me a comment below. I'd absolutely love to hear what you thought of today's project. Did you get any ideas for your own lace resin creations? Let me know. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see your beautiful faces in the next video. Bye for now, resin friends.